Hey guys, it's been a while. So, what's been going on with this channel recently? I haven't uploaded in basically 2 months. I haven't made like a serious upload in such a long time. What's going on? What's happening? I made a video where I made fun of the Apple event, and after that, I just kind of went silent for a while. Now, there are a few reasons why I did. Funny thing being that I hit 2,000 subscribers literally right after that video came out, which I'm very thankful for. However, recording the 2,000 subscriber special itself was a complete disaster, and was it was just awful. The recording was pretty bad. I barely gave any commentary, and when I did, it wasn't that good. And in some parts of the recording, I didn't even have my mic picked up. So it just kind of felt like an hour of just looking at pictures and not really saying anything. So that's kind of my update on the 2,000 subscriber special. I apologize for not actually getting the video out. Like, it's been 2 months since I made the announcement and everything like that. I apologize. I'm sorry. Hey, I mean, I'll send it to one of my friends. Maybe they can edit it. Maybe they can make it look nice. I don't know. Hopefully, just something happens with it. I will say that because of the failure of the 2,000 subscriber special, I kind of lost interest in making tech videos. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of missed just kind of doing my own thing on YouTube. Just kind of making whatever I wanted and just having fun, being stupid, having just a fun time with my friends, recording stuff. And if you haven't noticed, I actually have been uploading more on the Enzo Was Taken channel as of recently. I've uploaded 2 pressure videos, so please check those out. I really have been having a blast editing for the Enzo channel again, and I kind of just want to make stuff for that. I don't really know what else to say other than the fact that I kind of lost the interest of making tech videos. That's not me saying that I'm quitting this channel forever. I'm just saying that I haven't really been motivated to make this kind of content in a long time. Maybe I'll make something eventually, maybe not, who knows. But as of right now, I kind of have been burnt out of making this kind of content. If I do end up editing or getting someone to edit the 2,000 subscriber special, hopefully it is good and entertaining enough, because I know that some people have really big collections and they want to show them off, and I just kind of haven't had that happen. So again, I really apologize for that, and the people that submitted their stuff for the 2,000 subscriber special need to know what's going on with the 2,000 subscriber special, you know? This is totally not because one of my friends was like, well, what if you just don't tell people what's going on? They put so much effort into these things to show you. I swear to God, I've been putting so much effort into these fucking videos. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching this update video. For those of you that actually will watch this, I don't know, I hate talking to the camera, just myself, so I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that will be.